Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I have a try-on haul featuring Halara, specifically all of their like trouser pants. So you guys know, if you're not new here, my obsession with Halara runs deep. All summer long I am living in their activewear dresses. They do it so well, and even into the fall I keep some of my darker colors to still wear on my walks on warm days, or layer a sweater over or anything like that. They're amazing, but I specifically love their trouser pants for the fall and winter. Sometimes, I mean, I'm a jeans girl, I'm a pants girl specifically, but I really am just like somebody who likes comfy casual outfits, and sometimes jeans aren't always like the answer for everything, and sometimes I like a nice trouser pant, but I'm not wearing trouser pants if they're not comfy. If they don't have like an elastic band or some sort of stretch to them, I'm just not wearing them. So that's what I love about Halara, is they have so many different styles. I'm gonna share with you so many different styles, share with you what they look like on. And they're a blank canvas. You can style them however you want. These are perfect for the girls who are working in an office, or even if you're just casual and just throwing it on with a t-shirt. I styled it with a white tee. You can wear these so many different ways. You can do like, make it a little bit more trendy with a denim shirt over the top, something like that could be really cute. So I wanna share with you all the different styles and talk about fit and whatnot, and I will also leave the name of all the specific ones that I mentioned in the description box down below, as well as on the screen, so it's easy for you to find them. I'm also gonna talk about sizing. There are a couple styles that I would size up in if you like a different fit as I do, but we're gonna get into all the details. First, let's start with the two that actually have like button clasps on them. Some of them are just straight stretch, but we're gonna talk about some ones that actually have buttons on them. And big shout out to Halara for partnering with me on today's video and also providing you with a coupon code, which I will leave here on the screen, as well as, you guys know the drill, always in the description box down below. And they also are available on the YouTube shop button, so always check out there because I always have some fun deals on there as well. But these are the first ones. First of all, I love this color for the fall. Perfection. It's kind of like a brown, but like I don't know how to explain it. Like a yellowy brown? I don't know, but perfect for fall, okay? So like I said, this does have the two buttons and a zipper, but it has this stretchy band in the back that makes them just ultra comfy. Now, the legs themselves aren't insanely stretchy. They have a little give to them, don't get me wrong, but they just are so lightweight and breathable that they just flow down the leg seamlessly. So I did get these in a size small. I'm a 26, 27 in pants. I mean, I range. It just depends on the style and the fit and all of that. But I would say I could have sized up slightly in these, just because if you want just very sleek, slim lay where it doesn't cling to the hips or the booty or anything like that, if you do, some people do, go for it. But these are just a straight leg perfection. They also come in petite for a lot of their sizing as well, so if you're more of a petite girl, definitely check out that as well. But I love that these have belt loops, so you can put a belt on it. These with just a sweater, or like I said, with a denim, like oversized shirt, so adorable. Or with a tighter, like black top, or like a sweater vest or something like that for work. These would be just everything for the fall. So again, a straight leg, just very standard, classic trouser fit. These ones are a bit more tapered, which I wanted to try because I don't really have tapered like trousers like this in my collection. And I really don't have a ton of black trousers in my collection. I think I have one other pair from Halara. Okay. These again have the button and clasp closer in the front. These look very like office wear, I would say. And then the band in the back, you can see, is a full stretchy band, but once even pulled a little bit, doesn't even look like it's a stretchy band. It's very solid. There's no like real ruching to it. These fit really nicely. Again, they kind of taper in towards the end, so these would be great with heels. These would be great with loafers, ballet flats, so adorable. So loved these. Again, these are that same kind of material as the first one. Lightweight, very breathable, but not like a ton of stretch in the leg itself, but just very airy. And I like how they're kind of heavy enough where they just sit so nicely and just kind of lay flat, if you know what I mean with that. But those are good. Okay, next we're moving into just like stretchy, comfy. These literally feel like leggings, but they look like trousers. I'm not kidding you. If you are somebody who sits at a desk all day and doesn't want like buttons and things like that poking into your belly, I get you, girl. I feel you. Or if you're just like me who wants to look put together but doesn't want to be uncomfortable, these. Okay, these, I like the way these fit a lot. So these are just one solid waistband in the front, just a couple pleating, and all of them have pockets. I don't like trousers or pants in general that don't have pockets, okay? I hate them. So these have pockets. These are more of like a ribbed kind of material, you can see, but it doesn't look like an athletic-y ribbed. It's got a solid band at the top, like I said, the pleats, and these are just a free, kind of more of a wide leg. Their wide leg pants tend to just do that, like kind of flow out and give me the look that I would like. So if they're not a wide leg, I tend to want to size up to a medium, but if they're a wide leg, a small is perfect for me. So these are everything, the navy blue, and I like the ribbed. It's very comfortable, but also can be dressed down a little bit more, in my opinion. Okay, next up we have these gray ones. Again, these are very similar to the blue ones with the solid, just stretchy band at the top, but these do have belt loops, and this has like a fake, like crotch zipper situation, pockets. These have back butt pockets, but they're just for like design. They're not actual, like usable. These definitely look like a traditional trouser. They have, I don't know how they make it look like a trouser, but it's literally like so stretchy. I'm trying to, you see what I mean? It's so freaking stretchy. But they look like a trouser. But I love this gray color. I think this is so versatile. If you're over wearing black or navy or just dark colors, it's nice to kind of have like a light gray, and this goes with like everything. It's very neutral. So love this style. Again, I think I could have sized up to a medium in this one specifically for more of like a wide leg, fits at the hip and just, or fits at the waist and kind of goes out at the hips. All right, next up we have these. These I actually own in the black color as well, and I really wanted them in the gray. These are very reminiscent of like a boyfriend kind of trouser, very oversized, very slouchy, easy to wear in like a more casual way, in my opinion. They have the fake like button situation here. They have belt loops, and they are more of a ruched in the back, which is why I like they have belt loops so you can kind of cover that up if you don't want it. But again, insanely stretchy. These fit so nicely. These remind me a lot of my Abercrombie ones that I have. So these have two pleats in the front with pockets, and they're kind of like a waffly knit sort of material. And they're so freaking good. These feel like sweatpants. I'm not kidding you. So stretchy, so comfortable, but the weight of this material, again, I don't know how they do it, but it just lays so well on the body. These are nice, love. Okay, and then last but not least, I think these are similar to the other lighter gray ones that I have. Again, they have the belt loops, and then they have the fake little zipper situation with front pockets and the details of the back pockets, but they don't actually work. And these are kind of like a chocolatey grayish brown. Look at these. These are literally the same material as the athletic dresses. So buttery soft, so comfy. So basically think leggings in trouser form. These are nice. These I would say I could have sized up to a medium in. They are a tiny bit short, but they do have a decent amount of material that you could take these and get these let down. But these ones fit a little bit tighter on me than I would have liked. So I would have sized up to a medium in these personally. Again, if you don't mind it hugging your hips and your butt region, a lot of people like that look. I personally just like when clothes like flow off of me. Then you might have no problem and stay true to size. But me personally, I would have sized up to a medium. So that is it, you guys. That is my little Halara fall trouser pants haul. They have something for everyone on that site. If you have not checked them out, I highly recommend it. Don't just put Halara in the box of activewear, loungewear. Think of them as just comfort. I always say that because I really feel like they do a little bit of everything, but you can always count on their stuff just being ultra comfortable and just like, I don't know, easy to wear, easy to throw on, and you feel really comfortable and confident in it. So big shout out to Halara again for partnering with me on today's video. I will leave my discount code on the screen, as well as you can check out all the details on the specific pants and the sizing and my general measurements in the description box down below, and whether I would size up, size down, stay true to size, all of that. I generally feel like they are very true to size. Just some pants I like in terms of the fit to fit a little bit larger, so I would size up personally. But I hope you guys enjoyed, found this video fun and helpful, And I will see you guys in my next one very, very soon.